Friends, in this video I will discuss one of the best legal plan in India as well as in the world. Yes, my friend, we are discussing about Rajo MLM, and my friend, this is one of the legal best, profitable and reliable plan in India. Dear friends, top leader and best leader are already working in this plan. Rajo is started in India on 17 Feb 2020 and this is become one of the finest plan in India. Friends, now I will tell you some great benefit you can take from Rajo. Dear friend, Rajo is one of the world widest crowdfunding plan. This plan started from USA and it was started in 2009. Rajo has all legal documents that makes this company reliable and legal company. Dear friend, let's discuss about more thing about Rajo, why this is unique and best platform. Dear friend, you can get 50% direct income from here, and secondly this system is working upon blockchain technology that is very unique and special technology. And dear friend, there are 50 level of earning. Have you heard about this 50 level of earning you can earn from here? My dear friend, you can earn up to 10,000 for 3 months without any work. You just have to follow some term and condition for that. And one more thing that make Rajo more special, Rajo is also working for many NGOs. Rajo is also contributing some percentage to UN. Dear friend, if you want to take more information about Rajo, you can check description. Friend, every single detail I provide in description, as well as I provide number on screen and number in description. You can contact the Rajo official leader and take full information regarding this. My dear friend, in description there is also one link of registration. You can join that link and start working from here. Dear friend, let's discuss this plan more briefly. Dear friend, if you are new here on my YouTube channel, please do like, share and subscribe for more updates. So let's take full information regarding Rajo. Friend, let's discuss about registration. Here registration is free of cost. You can click on the link and do free registration from here. Friend, Rajo welcomes to you in this business. Rajo is one of the great business that want to provide help to every single leader that is working in this company. If you want to start working in this plan, you have to pay $34 for this. Rajo is also providing you world tour. You have a great opportunity to travel world with Rajo. Rajo is providing you a Bangkok trip on $699 only. Dear friend, if you take this trip, ID is free of cost and lifetime you will get 20% from Rajo. One of the best thing I like about Rajo, Rajo is providing a Rajo coin that is coming soon, and value of Rajo coin is increased in future like Bitcoin, and that is more beneficial for you. Friends, let's discuss about Rajo crowdfunding products. Rajo have its own shopping portal and Rajo have health free voucher for you, and as I mentioned earlier, Rajo is providing world tour for you. Friend, let's discuss about the Rajo income. Rajo is providing various kind of income. So let's discuss about the income Rajo is providing: direct income, fast track income, level income, club income, auto pool income, and repurchasing income, shopping portal income. Dear friend, Rajo is also providing direct raffle income. First raffle you will get 20%, in second raffle you will get 30%, in third raffle you will get 40%, in fourth raffle you will get 50%. After 4 direct, all 50% direct income. Amazing thing about Rajo, Rajo is providing 50 level income, and that is very beneficial for you. On first level to 10 level you will get benefited by $0.5, and from the 11 to 20th level you will get benefited by $0.1, and from the 21st level to 30 level you will get benefited by $0.05. Dear friend, also you can earn this money up to 50 level. Dear friend, let's discuss about the Rajo 4-star club. This level is known as the bronze level, and you have to pay $2 for your upgradation. You need 4 members for this, and this is the first level, and you can take the benefit from this club for 3 months. Let's discuss about the silver club. In this club you have to pay $2 for your upgradation. You need 16 members, and this is your second level. Also you can take the benefit from this club for 3 months. Let's discuss about the gold club. In this club you have to pay $2 for upgradation. You need 64 members, and this is your third level. you will get benefited from this club for 3 months. Platinum club, you have to pay $2 for your upgradation. You need 256 member, and this is your 4th level. You can take benefit from this club for next 3 months. Let's discuss about the pearl. You have to pay $2 for upgradation. You need 1024 member. Your level will be 5th level, and you can take benefit from this club for 3 months. Let's discuss about the Ruby club. You have to pay $2 for upgradation. You need 4096 member for this. Your level will be 6th. You can take benefit from this club for next 3 months. Let's discuss about the emerald. Amount will be 2 for your upgradation. You need 16,324 member, and your level will be 7th level, and you can take benefit for 3 months. Friend, you can also take benefit from royalty on company turnover. What you have to do, you have to make 32,768 member for this, and you will get benefited by 5% company turnover. Friend, let's discuss about a fast track income. At 0 level, you have to pay $30 for your upgradation. Here you will get benefited by $15 from each member. There are 4 members in this club. You will get $42 from this level. In first level, you have to pay $30. Designation will be bronze, and you need $40 for upgradation. From each member, you will get benefited by $20. There are 16 members in that club, and you will get benefited by $320. And friend, if we talk about 9th and 10th level, you have to pay 20,000, and you will become antimatter, and you have to pay $40,000 for your upgradation, and you will receive 20,000 from each member, and there are more than 10 lakh member in that level, and you can earn million and billion from here. Dear friend, let's discuss about the bronze auto pool. In this auto pool, you need 4 bronze member to upgrade as a silver level. You can earn from this auto pool is $1,74,918. Friend, let's discuss about the silver auto pool. You need 6 brown partner to upgrade silver partner. You can earn from this pool is $6,29,214. Now let's discuss about the gold auto pool. You need 8 bronze partner for upgrade as a gold partner. And you can earn from this auto pool is $10,48,619. Let's discuss about pearl auto pool. You need 10 bronze member for upgrade as a pearl partner. Total amount you can earn from this auto pool is $20,97,380. If we discuss about Ruby auto pool, you need 12 bronze partner to upgrade as Ruby partner, and you can earn up to $1,48,06,900 from here. And if we discuss about the platinum auto pool, you need 14 bronze member to upgrade as a platinum partner, and you can earn from this auto pool is $2,97,04,280. Let's discuss about emerald. You need 16 bronze partner to upgrade as emerald partner, and you can earn from this auto pool is $5,24,34,500. Let's discuss about the diamond auto pool. You need 18 bronze partner to upgrade diamond partner. You can earn from this auto pool is more than $10 crore. And dear friend, if we discuss about the antimatter auto pool, you need 20 bronze partner to upgrade antimatter partner, and you can earn more than $20 crore. And next is Razo Club auto pool. You need 22 bronze partner to upgrade Razo Club partner, and you can earn from this auto pool is more than $40 crore. Company is also providing you a repurchase income, and you can see level and income from the value purchase. In first level you will get 2%, in second level you will get 1%, in third level you will get 1%, in fourth level you will get 1%, in fifth level you will get 1%, in sixth level you will get 1%, and in seventh level you will also get 1%. Friend, term and condition are very simple here. There are nothing to worry about. So let's discuss term and condition here. 4 raffle are compulsory. After 4 raffle, user can use fund or can withdraw. Minimum withdrawal is up to $10. Deduction will be 10%, and for any upgradation, 2 bronze ID is compulsory. Bitcoin buy rate is $1 equal to 75 NR. Bitcoin sell rate or withdrawal amount will be gone. $1 equal to 70 rupees Indian national currency, and product is the compulsory for each ID. India and subcontinent tax or GST 12% compulsory. Account details Swift code must be required for India subcontinent. Sponsor get 25% off upgradation and team upgradation. ID upgradation is necessary for club income.